Welcome to day 3 of our 365-day AI curriculum focusing on Pandas DataFrames. Data scientists spend approximately 80% of their time preparing and cleaning data rather than building models. Data frames are the essential tool that makes this data preparation process efficient and manageable for machine learning projects. Data frames serve as the fundamental backbone of every machine learning project you'll encounter. They act as a crucial bridge between raw, messy data and the clean numerical arrays that ML algorithms require. The vectorized operations capability allows you to process millions of rows efficiently without writing loops. Think of data frames as super-powered Excel spreadsheets that your code can understand and manipulate. While Excel requires manual clicking and dragging, data frames allow you to write single lines of code that can instantly filter millions of rows or perform complex transformations. This programmatic approach is essential for handling large-scale ML datasets. A data frame is fundamentally a two-dimensional data structure with labeled axes for both rows and columns. Each column is essentially a series object sharing a common index with other columns. This structure provides the foundation for efficient data access and manipulation operations. Data frames excel at handling heterogeneous data where each column can contain different data types including integers, floats, strings, dates, and complex objects. This flexibility is crucial for real-world datasets. The vectorized operations capability means you can perform calculations on entire columns simultaneously rather than iterating through individual values. In machine learning pipelines, data frames provide lightning-fast data pre-processing capabilities. Common ML tasks like feature normalization, missing value handling, and categorical encoding can each be accomplished with single lines of code. This efficiency is critical when working with large datasets containing millions of rows and hundreds of features. When you print a data frame, Pandas automatically generates a clean tabular display with row indices on the left and column headers at the top. The default integer index starts at 0 in increments, but this can be customized. This structured output makes it easy to quickly inspect your data. Data frame filtering uses Boolean indexing where you specify conditions that return true or false for each row. The syntax df column, greater than value, creates a Boolean mask and returns only rows where the condition is true. You can combine multiple conditions using and for or operations. The describe method provides instant statistical summaries including count, mean, standard deviation, and quartiles for numerical columns. You can also access specific statistics like mean, min, max, and std for individual columns. This quick analysis capability is invaluable for initial data exploration. Data frames excel at common machine learning data preparation tasks. Missing values can be handled using fillner, with various strategies like mean, median, or forward fill. Feature scaling and normalization are easily applied to numerical columns. Categorical variables can be encoded using techniques like one-hot encoding or label encoding. Data frames provide significant performance benefits through vectorized operations that eliminate the need for explicit Python loops. The underlying implementations use optimized C code for mathematical operations. Memory usage is also optimized, allowing you to work with datasets that might not fit in memory using alternative approaches. Data frames are used across all machine learning domains. In customer analytics, they handle demographic and behavioral data for segmentation models. Financial applications use them for time series pre-processing and feature engineering. Even computer vision projects use data frames to manage image metadata and extracted features before feeding data to neural networks. Remember that data frames are like Excel spreadsheets but with code-driven superpowers for filtering, transforming, and analyzing data at scale. They serve as the essential bridge between messy real-world data and the clean, structured datasets that machine learning algorithms require. Mastering data frames is fundamental to success in any ML project. Tomorrow on day 4, we'll dive deep into data cleaning and pre-processing with data frames, the critical skills that can make or break your machine learning projects. We'll explore advanced techniques for handling missing values, dealing with outliers, and transforming raw data into ML-ready datasets. This foundational knowledge will be essential for your continued ML journey. Subscribe now to continue building real AI and machine learning expertise over the next 362 days of our curriculum. The consistency of learning something new every single day is what separates successful ML engineers from everyone else. Hit the bell icon and comment below telling me what type of data you want to work with in machine learning. I read every comment.